Hi everyone, this is your Legal Eagle from Birmingham. Yeah, I don't know why I'm dressed a bit smart today, or I thought I'll make a bit of an effort. Guys, I'm at Stafford Services, so the view is very nice. Hang on, can see a bit better. Yeah, so this is pretty much home for me, because I was out here studying for 3 years at Eagle University. That's where I did my law, my undergrad. So yeah, it's a very nice place, very nice town, a very nice city. So you can see the scenery. Unfortunately, guys, I'm not doing a places to explore today. So I'm just on my way to Bolton, and I thought what better place to stop by and quickly record a little video before I forget what I did this week. The name I'm using is Legal Eagle from Birmingham. Guys, of course, when you message me, let me know if you like the name, you don't like the name, you want me to change the name, whatever it is. And Legal Eagle, why? Do not ask me why. Yeah, so I'm on my way to Bolton, which is like a small sort of like town up north somewhere. I'm not being offensive, but I love up north. I love the Midlands. I love going up north, Manchester, Leeds, Bradford. That's how far I've been. But yeah, sorry guys, before I go off topic, but what I'll do is I'll I just want to talk you guys through things. So hang on. Yeah, okay, hang on, let's take a seat. Yeah, so you can see me all okay. First of all, this probably would be unedited, so I will not be editing this video. Also possibly because it's like one of my first videos. I haven't got the skills. I don't know how to edit, how to like add all like fancy bits to the background, or make it look nice, make it hair nice. So apologies if it's not what you were expecting. But yeah, so yeah, so my video today is, I just want to recap very quickly what I did this week. My videos, of course, they will be for people in the legal industry, whether they lawyers, whether paralegals, partners, people that have got anything to do with the legal industry generally. I will be focusing mainly on the West Midlands area. But yeah, so, and of course guys, you can always like email me questions, message me, like or dislike my video, just so I'll get a bit of a feedback, so I know what you guys want, what you guys are after. And my reason why I thought I want to do this, because I don't think there's many people out there who are making blogs or vlogs, or like putting videos out on YouTube about just generally about law, about how to succeed in law, how to get your top job in law, for example. So what I'll do is I'll cover as many topics as I can. I will try to do like a video every week or every month, try to cover different sort of topics that you guys like, message me about. But just want to talk you through very quickly what I did this week. Something very interesting. I went to a law lecture at the Birmingham University, and the law lecture was really to sort of like talk about and raise awareness about a organization called Amicus, Amicus, and it's about the death penalty. Of course, like luckily we don't have that in England anymore, but however, there are countries who still you can still get a death penalty. So it is a bit of a serious topic, but of course very topical, and I think I think it's just interesting for you guys to like have a look at this charity called Amicus, Amicus. They've got a website, they've got like videos on YouTube, so you'll be able to find out what they do, what they don't do. I'm sorry, I'm distracted by ducks. But yeah, Amicus, have a look. The talk was delivered by a barrister called Hannah. So she's Birmingham based. Very, very nice barrister, very amazing, very skilled, very qualified, and a very nice person, because like she was quite happy to answer questions at the end, which is always like very helpful for obviously people that attend the seminars. And she sort of like talked about her experience. She went over to New Orleans, that's where they're based in the US. And the reason I want you guys to have a look at Amicus is because what they do is they send interns from UK over to US, to New Orleans. That's where they're based. And so people down the death row, people that have been given the sentence of a death penalty, of course, like also the procedures involved. So sometimes they're not, you know, they're not, the death penalty is not executed straight away or there and then or on the same day, or it takes a little while before the death penalty is actually executed. But there's something called that they can be people who have been given death penalty. If it's proven later on that there's some sort of like misjustice or whatever reason, this organization, this fights for those people, and who cannot sort of like maybe perhaps explain themselves very clearly, or for whatever reason they're there, and they are innocent, and they can be forgiven, they can be pardoned. So it's very, very important. The work they do is very important. Like I said, people that go out from here, of course, if you're in the legal industry, legal professional, and you want to go out there, try that for a few months. They have internships in London as well. But I would say have a look at it and see if you can help them out. See if you want to apply for an internship or a work experience, because it sounds very, very amazing. So like I said, they so far in the last, like they've been around for quite a few years, but in the last like 20 odd years, they've been able to get pardoned for about 80 odd people, I think. So you can imagine it is pretty much like saving lives, and it's not something to be taken very lightly or easy, because it definitely doesn't sound like it is. So, and the experience that you'll gain is that you'll be working amongst lawyers, other legal professionals. You will, if you do go for the internship abroad, yeah, I think you'll be in a very, very, this sounds like a very good experience, and you'll be helping out preparing the cases, obviously, because unless you qualified as a US lawyer, you will not be able to go to the court and represent the client. But still, I think still worthwhile, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm just having like a honeycomb latte from Costa. But anyway, I think these guys should pay me for promoting the coffee. But anyway, so yeah guys, Amicus, have a look at it. This is what I did this week. I went to the seminar on death penalty. Brilliant. What I also did was there's another organization called CEPLER, CEPLER, CEPLER. They are like a legal research education part of Birmingham University, and I just want to mention them because, say, for all you people out there who've got a bit of a downtime, maybe you're working part-time, maybe you're not working at the moment, you still want to stay in touch with law. These guys are absolutely amazing people to speak to, because they might have something for you. CEPLER, they run pro bono clinics, like I believe it's every week. So, and it's not open just for Birmingham University students, but it's also open to anybody else that lives in Birmingham, and that's like pretty much unable to afford legal advice. So you can go to them for free legal advice. What they do is they fill out forms, they speak to you initially, and they say, okay guys, you know, what is it that you're after, what topic. I think they don't do housing, and they cannot help out with benefits, etc., but there are like a wide range of topics that they do cover, and they've got some like really amazing law firms in Birmingham, and lawyers from them who sort of help out with this. So these guys, when you go see at the advice clinic, they'll take down your details, they'll speak to a lawyer at a very, very good law firm, and they will help you out with free legal advice. But what the point I want to make is that if you want to get involved, get in touch. They seem like very amazing, brilliant people. Get in touch, speak to them. This is just one of the things to do. These like free legal advice clinics they run at Birmingham Uni. They do like a range of things. So for example, street law, that's something I did when I was doing my LPC. Street law is fantastic. What you do is you run like also like workshops, you meet like young offenders, you go to like YMCAs, and you sort of like really raise awareness of like what can happen if they do go down the route of I don't want to say like becoming a criminal, but I think it's more like if they do want to go down the route or they do commit a offense, for people at young age, they are like usually young offenders. They have committed an offense, they have been sentenced, but it's just like really making them aware that, guys, you know, there is a way out there. You just like raise awareness about all sort of offenses. So for example, that's what I did. I ran workshops so on sentencing. For example, assault can lead you to X, Y, and Z, or GBH, ABH can lead to so and so. And I really enjoyed it when I did this. So I think it's something you should try. So like I said again, so CEPLER, CEPLER at Birmingham Uni, that's what they do. One of the things to do is, of course, like I said, is free advice pro bono clinics, then is street law, and I think they do like a range of things. So if you're sitting home, you're bored, you're just watching like Game of Thrones, or I don't know, it was like a Peaky Blinders or something, I don't know what people are watching these days, but whatever you're watching and you want to get out there, you want to do something in law, you do have downtime, then guys, do it. I'm thinking, so that's my week pretty much. What else I can tell you about? Guys, yeah, so just like a bit of background about my blog, why I'm doing this, because I'll be very honest, I don't think I'm as smart, as clever as like a few other friends. What they do is they write articles, they publish journals, that's what they do. But yeah, now of course I'm passionate about law, so I thought, you know, why not, let's give this a go. So I'll see how it goes. I mean, I enjoy all sorts of law. I've worked in litigation, regulatory, even competition, construction, finance. I've worked in quite a few areas. But I think let's see how this takes off. And if you guys are interested, slowly, I will start talking a bit more about possibly like areas of law. I will answer all your questions that you have, and I will see if I can point you towards the right direction. And just finally, guys, for anybody who's stuck out there looking for a job, or you know, you want to change your job, you want to move career, you want to do something else in law, guys, get in touch with these universities. They've got career services and they can really help you. I mean, you might, obviously, if you have studied there, you can perhaps try to make an appointment with them. And if you do make an appointment, you can say, you know, I used to be a law student and you know, I want to come in for a session. But if they can't do that for you, what you must do is just pop down, give them a visit, go to your law faculty, to the university that you went to, or to any nearest university where you live. Go to the law faculty, see what brochures you can pick up. You can pick up the Chambers UK for free, the Legal 500 for free, the top 100 times employers. So if you think, hang on, I don't want to work in law anymore, I just want to see like what else I can do, then yeah, go have a look at it. How to like do your CV, how to do a covering letter. I will cover all of this like in my next coming videos. Of course, I will go through one by one. So like CV drafting, covering letters, training contract applications, excuse me, anything and everything that I can do. But yeah, usually it'll be about things that I get up to, places I'll go see. Like today, like I said, I'm going to Bolton. I'll be very honest, I'm not sure if it'll be worth me doing like a whole video on Bolton. But if there's anything, of course, I will see if I can record it and upload it. So guys, this is one of my first videos, and please just be nice, of course, and give me feedback, you know, whatever you like, whatever you don't like. So the key things to take away today are: A, check out Amicus, AMICUS. They do some amazing internships, secondments to US, New Orleans, where you can go help out with people who have been given the death penalty. and if you can help them out, perhaps, you know, that'll be good. And second of all, I discussed Birmingham Uni Cepler, CEPLER, and again, I think they're very good people out there. So get in touch if you do want to do some sort of like free legal work, you want to do like some pro bono work, you know, you just want to help out in law generally, and that's it. And yeah guys, I keep getting distracted. I think I will try to do videos indoors actually next time. But hey, if you have any questions, like I said, again, apologies for this being pretty much like an unedited version. I'm not sure if I will get the chance to edit in anyway. I don't know how to make these videos look fancy, and I will learn it. And hopefully, yeah, hopefully it'll be a bit more pleasing to your eyes. Anyway, that's it from me, guys. Take care of yourself, and goodbye.